Do you want to browse YouTube privately? In this video, I will show you how to use YouTube Incognito Mode and how to turn it off. So let's get started. First of all, open the YouTube app. Then tap on your profile picture icon. After that, tap on the Accounts button. Then tap on Turn on Incognito. Incognito mode is now enabled on YouTube. To use it, simply search for any video and start watching. You can browse YouTube and watch videos privately in incognito mode. Your activity during this incognito season won't be added to your YouTube history. To turn it off, tap the incognito icon from here. Then tap on Turn off Incognito. And that's it. You are now back to your normal YouTube account. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.